Today we got the Lumary Smart water timer. Let's open it up and see what it has inside. This is what we get inside. An owner's manual, and here we go. It also comes with this plug-in thing, which is a gateway, they call it. So it must be how this can become part of your network. It came with two of these setups, which would be like a quick connect. And maybe these are standard, but I don't have anything that's gonna hook to. But it came with two of those. And if I figure it out, I'll let you know why it's there. Let's see what we need to power it. To run this, you're gonna need 4 AA batteries. The first thing we're gonna do is download the Lumary app. I did a little more reading on the subject, and it looks like you can connect this to your Alexa and just tell her to water the plants. A lot of people don't understand how exciting this thing is, but if you got plants to water and you don't feel like watering, you can set yourself up a little drip line, and you can run it off this whenever you feel it needs to be watered, or put it on a timer. So that's what I am going to do in my front garden. The other side we're going to use for just the hose, which is not as much fun, but you always want to have one hose open so that you can use it for what you want it for, and the other one you can run irrigation on.